In this lesson, we will use GitHub to build your first static web page. You will see the whole path: create a project, add a web page, turn on GitHub Pages, and finally open your public website in a browser. By the end of this video, you will understand 5 key tasks: what GitHub is, how to create a repository, how to make an index.html file, how to enable GitHub Pages, and how to confirm that your website is online. Think of GitHub as a project folder in the cloud. It stores code, web pages, images, and documents. More importantly, it keeps a history of changes, so you can see what was changed, when it was changed, and why. A static website is a website made from files such as HTML, CSS, images, and JavaScript. It does not require a database or a server program. That makes GitHub Pages a simple and useful way to publish a learning project. Before we begin, remember 3 basic GitHub terms. A repository is the project folder. A file is one item inside that folder. A commit is a saved version of your work, like a snapshot that records one round of changes. The full workflow is straightforward. First, sign into GitHub. Second, create a repository. Third, add the index.html file. Fourth, commit your changes. Fifth, enable GitHub Pages and open the website address. Now we create the repository. Click New Repository, give the project a clear name, and keep it public if you want GitHub Pages to publish it for everyone. In this example, the repository name is My First Web Page. When the repository is ready, it is still almost empty. That is normal. The next step is to add the homepage file. For a simple static website, the most common homepage file is named index.html. Create a new file and name it index.html. This file is important because browsers usually look for it first when someone visits your website. It becomes the front door of your project. Inside index.html, type a very simple HTML structure. HTML describes the content of the page, such as headings, paragraphs, links, and images. For this first website, a short Hello GitHub Pages message is enough. After entering the code, scroll down and choose Commit Changes. A commit saves the file into the repository and records this version. You can also write a short message, such as Add Index Page, so the history is easy to understand. Next, turn on GitHub Pages. Open Settings, choose Pages, and select Deploy from a branch. Use the main branch and the root folder, then click Save. GitHub will start publishing the website from your repository. After the setting is saved, GitHub creates a public web address. It may take a short moment to finish building. When the page is ready, open the link in your browser and check that the website is visible. If you see Hello GitHub Pages on the screen, congratulations! Your first static website is online. This is the key idea: the files in your repository can become a real website that other people can visit. From here, you can improve the page step by step. Change the text, add CSS for design, upload images, or include JavaScript for interaction. Each time you commit a change, GitHub can update the website. GitHub Pages can be used for portfolios, course projects, research pages, AI demonstrations, IoT project reports, and many other public showcases. Thank you for watching, and enjoy building your first website with GitHub.